Teaching a statistics curriculum for a quarter of a century, first at Baylor's Hancomer School of Business and currently in the Mathematics and Computer Science Department of Samford University, I perceived a need for students to rise above the man-on-the-street misunderstanding of statistics and the need to understand the scientific method and hypothesis tests better. As a teacher on the front lines, I saw a need, and Kendall Hunt provided the avenue to improve student learning and meet that need. Collaborating with Kendall Hunt Publishing, I am Dr. Candace Todd, the author of a workbook, Statistics Extreme. Melissa Levins, a representative from Kendall Hunt Publishing, came by my office and introduced me to the possibilities of creating a consumable workbook. This serendipitous visit would culminate in the Statistics Extreme workbook of daily notes and practice opportunities to supplement any stat textbook. The workbook approach offers first a theme emphasis and second prototypes of statistical tests to benefit students in their long-term learning. The first aim, the theme emphasis, I sought to weave an underlining theme throughout to emphasize statistical significance, teasing that everyone needs to know about the p-value, and it's my life calling. And also everyone needs to know about the scientific method. Part of that theme is highlighted by the word extreme in the title, Statistics Extreme. And this mysterious p-value answers how extreme is our evidence. Extreme is our starting discussion every day. Extreme is defined to be a characteristic shared with less than or equal to 5% of the population. And one does not change their world by seeing the usual, but when one witnesses extreme statistics. The statistics concept of uncertainty highlights the difference between truth and what we see, all embodied in the hypothesis test procedure, which is the quintessential part of the scientific method. Kendall Hunt worked extensively with me through editing and formatting, and also in the intertwining of the extreme theme. Everyone with a college degree should know about the p-value and what extreme evidence is. Kendall Hunt provided the avenue to improve student learning. My second motivation for the workbook came from a missing niche in teaching literature. In all my years of teaching and research, I had sought but did not find the displays of patterns, prototypes, paradigms of the hypothesis tests for many of the different inferential analyses. In the appendices of this workbook, I have outlined skeletal hypotheses models for the inferential statistics topics that we've discussed. Kendall Hunt provided the medium once again to hopefully benefit students' understanding through these hypothesis test models. In summary, using the footpath of the Statistics Extreme workbook, each new generation of my students can learn easier and have more in-depth understanding of statistics. Of greater long-term significance, no pun intended, students should have a longer memory, a better memory, retain the concepts lurking around probability and sampling. The final outcome should be about 100 more people each semester, not with the man-on-the-street understanding of statistics, but 100 more people understanding and appreciating the p-value and being safe off the streets with their understanding of statistics. Thank you, Kendall Hunt.